Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 9 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Here is our sketch today. This is also May I Scraplift You, which is hosted by the lovely Crystal Barrett, who is Pineapple Papers here on YouTube. My personal prompt today is pink, and it's also a Cut to You design team layout. So the Cut of the Month Club, you guys have got to get in on this if you are not. I went ahead and backed this like off camera and everything. It is this beautiful, I believe the name of it is Floral Birdhouse. But hold please while I check. It is Floral Birdhouse. Look at me. Oh, knowing what's going on there. Okay. Anywho, I went ahead and backed that with some scraps that I had left over in my little scrap thing, so it's kind of fun. We're going to put that right there in the center, but I'm going to use this fun tag. So here, let's just start, right? And the flowers are pink, so that was, I used the leftover of the Eiffel Tower paper. It was all crazy pink. So trying to use the scraps up as we get to them. So I'm going to do that right about there. So we're going to go to the red. So let's cut this guy. We're going to cut him off. Oh, that's kind of cute. And then I know I said red. So we're going to go there. And I am trying to use up as much as I can because this How to Kill a Kit is going to be over at the end of the month. And then I will be switching quarter 2 to a different collection, and I'm going to start scrapbooking my She Loves Color. So I will put this away and we will come back to this later. So we'll get that on there. And just trim that off. You know what? Let's do something fun. I have so many sheets of paper, you guys. It's like seriously not even funny. Yeah, let's do that. All right, so we're just gonna take it a ½ inch. Oop, I do not want to do that. Okay, so we did that one. Let's take it a ½ inch over here. So, okay, and then we'll go, not a ½ inch, that was 3/4 inch. All right, boom shaka. And so we've got that. Just trying to see, I might have a use for those. I know you guys were like, what? You never save scraps. And I would be like, I know. And it's crazy. But I've got this kit, so, and it's ginormous and everything is falling. All right. So we're gonna get this. And this is how I gut papers when I would like to try to keep it at a square. Usually I just take my X-Acto knife and just cut, but sometimes it calls for precision work, which is what I keep the Fiskars trimmer around for. I used to use this thing like all times. all times. But see, then I got that. Oh, goodness. I was so proud I used a whole bunch of scraps, and now here I am putting a, oh my goodness. What is going on here? So, there we go. All right. Oh. All right. So, how is everyone today? All right, there we go. I don't know why I can't speak sometimes when I'm doing things. So I do always seal it up. Just because you guys know I do not put my layouts away, but maybe twice a year if I can get away with less, I do. So that it doesn't catch on any other papers or embellishments while it's stored in its iris containers. I'll just go ahead and do this to seal it up. And I use the tape just because, you know what, sometimes washi tape fails, right? All right, so now I have to pull out embellishments because this was as far as I got with this. And decide, do we want to pop this whole thing up? But yeah, head to the Cut to You. Oh my lord. So see, I'm going to put that there. I think we should pop it up. Let's go for it, I say. Oh, come on. All right, so I'm going to pop this whole thing up. And this is just some fun foam. And get yourself some cut files, because cut files, especially from Cut to You, super uber affordable. And you can use them for so many things. It's not one and done, right? Well, that wasn't quite then enough. I do not know if you just heard my husband scream. He's watching Jeopardy, and I think he's trying to get my attention. So he just screamed a black hole extremely loud. Yeah, that is our life. Oh, yeah, that is funny. He's in the basement. Okay. So I'm going to finish just Frank, because apparently I can't cut the right size piece to save my life. I'm going to go ahead and just keep getting this stuck down. And working through, we'll get that stuck down. And then, I know you guys are probably like, what are you doing? And I could be like, I really honestly don't know. Well, I cut that the wrong way. Oh, I amaze even myself sometimes. Okay. We're just fitting pieces in. All right, so let me finish doing this. I'll get that stuck down. I will pull out some pieces from my collection here and get all of that sorted, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I still have this sheet. I've got a It's Your Birthday, Make a Wish, and I heard it's your birthday, so I'd like to get these two used up and call that a day. Been making progress with this sticker sheet. I don't know if you guys know, but I have a real hard time with 12 by 12 sticker sheets. They're like the hardest for me to use up. So, you know, here we go. We've got these. I'd like to use some of those, and the sticker book because I got like 3 of them. So we've got this on here. And I don't know. Could probably tuck that in, and then that could be our title. Kind of fun. And then let's put the cute little casino there. All right. Now let's look at what we got here. Where, oh where? Okay, so like the title's supposed to go down here, but I think if we make a cluster, maybe we start a cluster over here. And then we can put a cluster there, and I think we'll put a cluster down here. So let's bring in some of the orange. Okay. And we're gonna pop in a roller skate because, you know, they got like high boots on. In my mind, they should be like roller skating girls. I don't know. That's just kind of where I'm going. That'll fill in that little gap there nicely. I'd love to put things on the photo. So we'll put having fun. And then let's do having fun, crazy, silly fun. Yeah, I know. I know, right? Probably the wrong time to try to use this collection, but I just have to, just gotta go with it. Then let's just roll with it right here. And at least we got some of it used. Let's make sure. Let's put this right here, like, I heard it's your birthday. It always makes me like, da na 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 na. It's my birthday too! Sorry. You guys know what I'm talking about. 16 candles. Okay. feel like I'm a dog. All right, that's used up. We're gonna toss it. And okay. What about this one? Can you guys hear that squeaking? I have no idea what that is. It's like it's coming from outside. It's very, 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 very windy. Oh, you know what? No. Because we went to the Flamingo too. We went to like all the casinos, right? So that was fun. It was a very, very fun time. Very fun, very relaxing. Okay. I'm just excited that I got some of the that one sheet used, to be honest with you. Put that one there. It's a bowling ball, but you really can't tell what it is, I know. Okay. Kind of seems like it's getting sillier and sillier. All right, then this I picked up at She Loves Color. So I'll get some of these in here, and we'll definitely get some pink ones in because that's my color. Alright. And then okay. Alright, you guys. That is going to do it for today's layout. So don't forget to head on over to Cut to You and find yourself fabulous cut files. Sign up for the Cut of the Month Club. You cannot pass up. It is, the price point is phenomenal, and you get to use them. Sometimes you get 2, sometimes you get 1. It's really, really a good deal. Check everybody else out that played along with May I Scraplift You. And that is going to do it for day 9. Also, everyone that's playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. So, that is it. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.